Hi guys, this is Mike, welcome for a new tutorial. So today we see how to create a light threshold sensor. So we will use this to control the light, and show different things or make sounds or things like that. And for all of that, we see how to show numbers, we see how to use variables, how to read sensors, use control and all of that, so loops and so on. Alright guys, we're going to get started with the code now. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google guys, and you need to type this, BBC microbits. So this is the board we're using today. So that board has all different characteristics, sensors, push buttons and things like that, but we see all of that. So we click on the first button here. So this is the interface. It's sponsored by Microsoft. Microsoft is behind it, to help the kids have access to STEM and coding and everything. So you go here, you type on Let's Code, and you go to here, go to MakeCode editor, see what you do. And here you click on new projects because you want to do a new project, and you type temperature, oh no, not temperature, I don't know what's going on, light control, and you click on create. And you should have that window, but you can click on next, if you're new to this project, but I just close it. Alright guys, so before we get started, so we can see here we have two blocks. One to use, we use a color time when we get started. Here we have the tabs with the different instruction depending on what we want to do. We have the sensors, radio, loops, logic, and so on. And here we have the simulator here. So when we code it here, it will simulate it here. Some stuff can be simulated because if you really need the hardware, but this allows us to do that. Alright guys, so here we go to basics. To show something, on the LEDs on the screen of the microbit, we're gonna need this. So click here on show numbers 0. So we don't show, you want to show 0, but you see here the simulator says 0. So we go into input, and we go to light level, show light level, and we wait. So it's gonna be a bit grayish, and after waiting a little bit, we see it shows at 128. So I think that might be lumens, so something like that. So that's the simulator if you don't have a board, but we can barely do nothing with this, so you see it's 828 lumens. So that's my point today. I'm trying to put some threshold there and see how we can have some action to be done. So for that guys, you go to logic, and you get this instruction, if else. See, we're in logics, if else, and you put it just right here. Alright guys, after that you go to logic and you grab that one. Alright, you pick it like this. So if light level, this is what we want, input is if light level is inferior to, no, I mean it's superior, I want to put superior, is superior to 110. We want to show a heart. We can make some noise with the buzzer too. If there is a buzzer on that board, we're going to show the icon. Else we're going to show another icon. This year we're going to show like another icon here. We're gonna show like a cross. Okay, seems fair enough. And as I say, on start we want to show something. Let me get this, because when the game gets started we want to know that we are on the game. Let me get a car or something. Car. That's a car. So when all of that is done, guys, so you go here, you click on download. But as usual, you need to connect that board. Alright. This is what I'm going to do. So you take a USB cable, you connect it to your computer, and you connect it to the board. Okay, guys. And you click on next, and you click on download as a file. That's about it. And you click on done. Click here, and you go to the download file, guys. Download file. This is where you go, and you should have the file that you have downloaded from here, and it should be there. So this is how it works. When you plug the board to the computer, it appears as a USB drive. So from that USB drive, you can just grab that file and copy and paste it there, and it should be working. So this is what I'm going to do. Going to copy it. Control C. I'm going to the microbit board. There you go. Alright, guys. It's uploaded now. It doesn't seem to. Alright, so I think that's the wrong one. Let me do it one more time. Download again. Alright, the 2. I get it, guys. Sorry, guys, technical issues. And do the same thing, I upload it there. Because it doesn't show me what I want, so that's why I was a bit concerned that maybe it's not uploaded. So you understand now why I put things in the on start instructions, so I know when the. Alright, now it's good, guys. Okay. Alright. Let me show you with this. Let me switch the screen now so I can show you what's happening. So there it is, guys. It shows across and it shows the lumens too. I should have maybe put the weight on it, so it would have shown us a little bit more. But I don't know if you remember. Let me share the screen with you. When you see a cross here, guys, there you go there. When you see the cross, it means the temperature is inferior to 100. No, the light is inferior to 110 lumens. That's what it means. And also it shows here the light level. It says 0 now, and I want it to increase a little bit. So, and it should show you a heart. All right. Let me do it like this. All right. So I have a lamp. Let me see here. 97. Now we have the heart. Now it's 131 lumens, and we have the heart. We have the heart now. There you go, guys. This is how it works. This is how it shows. That's the end of it. Alright, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. So it wasn't too hard to do. So it was just to show you how to implement a light sensor, and from that light sensor being able to control the board and show different things. It was just to show some icons here, but you can control more things like that, like motors, like LEDs, sensors, speakers, and so on. It's up to you. The limit is your imagination, guys. Alright, guys, so please give the video a like, leave some comments, some feedbacks, if you like the video, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to share it with me. And Don't forget to share the video, that helps a lot, and don't forget to subscribe as well, guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial. Bye.